Avoid the number one digital chaos families face after an emergency. You have built your life online. Passwords, bank accounts, legal documents, business files, even memories. But here is the real question. If something unexpected happened to you today, would anyone know how to find them? Would your spouse know the login to your phone? Would your kids know where to find your banking details? Would your family know who to call and what to do next? This isn't just a what if. For thousands of people every day, this is their reality. And the biggest chaos they face. They are locked out of everything their loved ones left behind. They can't pay bills. They can't access accounts. They can't even find the will or insurance policies. That's why I'm talking to you today. Yes, you. Because this message isn't for everyone. It's for the person who knows deep down organizing your digital life. Not because you're careless, but because no one ever showed you how. This is your moment. This is your tool. The digital emergency kit is more than a backup. It's the most important asset in your family protection arsenal. Organizes your entire digital life in one place. Gives your loved ones step-by-step guidance. Prevents confusion, court fights, and total collapse of your digital legacy. Miss this, and all you will have is regret. The I should have done it moment. And by then, it's too late. This is your resolution, your protection, your peace of mind. Your family doesn't need more guesswork. They need this kit. Click the link in the description now to get your digital emergency kit. Do it while you still can, because life is unpredictable, but your plan does not have to be. Your digital life deserves a plan. Your family deserves peace. Your kit is one click away.